Alrighty, take two. Everything is the same except for the tarp is in an A-frame. Just because of the layout of the trees, I didn't have it good. Plus, you know, earlier there was some dark clouds, so we'll see what happens. But same air mattress, same pillow, same sleeping bag. I got the snug pack off camera just in case I need it. So man, I'm just been an interesting day. I've just been really hot, sweaty for like no reason. It's not really even that hot out, and there's a nice cool breeze. Stomach's been kind of upset. I don't know if I'll even eat dinner. Maybe I'll eat breakfast and just call it good. But I'm out with a buddy. He's on vacation this week, so I said, well, dude, we gotta go camping. So, and I hadn't had a chance to test out the system yet, so I will let you know how it worked out in the morning. All right. Morning one and all. So I took some of your advice and I wrapped my Mountain Tech pillow into my t-shirt. It did work pretty good. It helped with the fabric feel. Of course it's chilly, so I want to put it on. So that worked out. So the saving grace last night was the Snug Pack Jungle Blanket. I ended up having to break it out because I was getting a little chilled in my 55-degree Helios sack. So I mean, it's not like it's a deal breaker, but I got a little chilled, so I went with that over the top. Slept toasty. This guy's really been impressing me. Pillow worked out great, or pillow worked out good. Keep your head elevated. The sleeping pad worked out. I wasn't sure if I was going to need R value with the fabric or not. So I put down the sleeping pad and it worked great. It's comfortable all night long. No issues with comfort. So that's money right there. Rolling over in the bag, you know, sometimes the bag would kind of roll with you, so that could be kind of a pain sometimes, but not a deal breaker. And yeah, so far pretty decent. It kind of made some creaky noises when I first laid down, but you know, I'm heavy, so what are you gonna do? And I'll start packing up, and then I'll bring you back when I'll bring. Well, here she is. Everything's put away, so I went with a sleeping pad because I didn't know what the R value on this fabric was, canvas. So I went with a pad. Kind of glad I did. You know, it's comfortable, and I was actually pretty comfortable all night long. I mean, it made a few creaks and whatnot at first, but you know, it's probably because it was new and I'm breaking it in. I saw a picture on Amazon where it ripped all, well, camera's a little too high. Anyway, it had ripped all along here, but I read a warning that don't ever sit on the very edge, always sit in the middle so you don't put too much weight on the bar. So I don't know if that's what they did and then the fabric ripped, or they put their hand down on it too hard, or they just got a crappy stitch job. But you know, it's double stitched. I don't know how they ripped it, but you know, they may have been sitting right on the edge, and you know, all your body weight on one spot might have done it. But I think my only real complaint with this is getting the fourth corner in is a real pain in the ass. I mean, I had to sit there and fight and swear at it. What they do is, you know, they kind of lock in. So it has a lock here, and then it's got a little tab here. I don't know if you can see that. And you just slide the piece in, and then trying to stretch the fabric to get this on. It's just, I mean, it could be because I'm still breaking it in too, but you gotta really. There we go. So I think if I use it more, maybe they'll get a little easier over time. Of course, it comes with a canvas bag. I forgot my headlamp. Well, I gotta say I was pretty pleased with the cot. Pretty comfortable. I mean, it's a little heavy, but you know, what are you gonna do? I mean, I sure as hell wouldn't backpack it or carry it a long distance at 17 pounds. But you know, there's a lot of good uses for a cot too. I mean, you know, someone comes over and you have, you know, the couch is full, you could bust out the cot, they can sleep on that. I mean, car camping. If I had a canvas tent, that would be really sweet. They're just expensive, so, or more expensive than I have available funds for. But you know, it'd be great for that, or a yurt, something like that. So links will be in the description for both Amazon and the Teton sports website. So just check them out. I mean, this is not something they sent me, it's something I purchased myself. So check out those links, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a good one.